Welcome to Leave and Learn, Atlas of the Mind. Today, you're going to learn a simple beginner meal plan that helps you lose fat and build muscle without stress, expensive foods, or extreme dieting. This system is simple, cheap, and effective, and it works because it's built for real life. Most people don't fail their fitness goals because they're lazy. They fail because no one ever taught them what to eat. Everywhere you look, there's new advice, new rules, and new diets. It's confusing, and when you're confused, you quit. By the end of this video, you have a clear system. You'll know what to eat, how to build your meals, and how to stay consistent without starving or overthinking. This entire meal plan is built on 3 simple rules. Rule number 1: protein first. Protein helps you feel full, it supports muscle growth, and it keeps your metabolism strong. If fat loss and muscle gain are your goals, protein must be at every meal. Rule number 2: choose whole foods. Foods that look like food, not products, not powders, not packaged meals with long ingredient lists. Rule number 3: consistency beats perfection. You don't need to eat perfectly, you just need to eat consistently. This is where everything becomes simple. Half your plate should be protein, 1/4 should be carbohydrates, 1/4 should be vegetables, plus a small amounts of healthy fats. This structure works well for almost everyone. For breakfast, aim for oats, eggs, and fruit. This gives you energy, protein, and fiber. For lunch, chicken, rice, and vegetables. Simple, balanced, filling. For a snack, take Greek yogurt and nuts. High protein, easy, satisfying. For dinner, you can go with fish, potatoes, and salad. This supports recovery and keeps you full. Drink water before every meal. It helps control hunger and improve digestion. Healthy eating doesn't have to be expensive. Here are some sources of cheap protein. Eggs, canned tuna, and beans. These are powerful, affordable foods. Cheap carbs, rice, potatoes, and oats. They provide simple fuel for your body. Eat protein and carbs before and after training. These foods fuel your body for the workout and also help your muscles recover and grow. Eat protein, fiber, and drink plenty of water. This combination keeps you full and satisfied. Hunger doesn't mean you have failed. It means your body is learning. Follow the following structure every day for success. 3 meals, 1 snack. When out shopping, stick to simple foods. You can also repeat meals if you want to save time. Small actions, done daily, create transformation. You're not dieting, you're building a lifestyle. Progress over perfection should be your goal, always. Watch the full health and fitness playlist to build your routine. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. It goes a long way in helping us reach more people like you. Start today, live better, learn deeply. Goodbye, and see you in the next video.